Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. Today we're going to be talking about IP. This new layer 1 blockchain has absolutely huge potential. We're going to be discussing it from a fundamental perspective and then breaking it down from a technical analysis perspective as well, and giving you guys a price prediction to see how high this asset could potentially be going here in the future. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So IP, a newer coin that has been launched in the cryptocurrency space, one of the newest layer 1 blockchains here, probably to date actually. It's a very new layer 1 blockchain, and it basically serves as sort of the bedrock for protecting users and businesses' IPs, intellectual property, okay, on the internet. Now, this is super important considering how AI is basically stealing everyone's IPs and everyone's ideas and licenses and all the things that make up a lot of things in terms of IPs. It's very accessible on the internet, right? And a lot of people aren't getting the justice and the reward from profit share and stuff like that they should be getting. So this is where IP comes in. IP is the first layer 1 blockchain that serves as I said, the foundation for protecting people's IP. Now this is a very interesting project, and it has kind of stormed out the gate since it did launch basically back in February here. It absolutely exploded up to around a $1.77 billion market cap, currently sitting at a $900 million market cap. But if we look at it compared to the rest of the assets in the space right now here, you can see it is outperforming here in terms of the bounce back for crypto right now. Now, why is this important? Okay, it's important because we know the extent of how profitable investing in layer 1 blockchains at such an early stage can be. Okay, so currently this blockchain is basically priced around this sort of area, it's around 70th here in terms of every cryptocurrency asset out there. But in terms of the layer 1s, it is right down here, way below all the other major layer 1s in the space right now. Now, why is this important? It's important because it's not even at a $1 billion market cap, and it still holds a significant value in the utility in comparison to other layer 1s in the space. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean that if you actually go to the website, you can see that they've already got a lot of other reputable businesses already building on there. They've got projects live in their ecosystem already. Even since February, this is absolutely huge. We're literally talking 20, 30, 34 projects here that are already building here on this layer 1 chain, which is absolutely unbelievable in comparison to some other layer 1s that barely have anything building on it at all, right? There's definitely layer 1s out there that haven't got that potential in comparison to IP. Now again, why is that important? It's important because IP is currently under a $1 billion market cap. If this thing does begin to take off like we are seeing at the moment, there could be a very big price prediction for this. The big question is, how much money can we make investing in IP at this current price? So the current price at $900 million market cap at a price of $3 is stupidly undervalued in comparison to how high this thing could go. I'd place this at around a $5 to $10 billion market cap, which would be in the likes of AVAX, would be in the likes of Litecoin, HBAR, Monero. This sort of area, I can see this asset climbing to very soon. Now, if we use blockchain like Sui, for example, Sui came out, one of the newer blockchains in the space, absolutely exploded to the top side, and I do believe that IP can do that as well. Now, if we go over to the chart here, and we can basically see here, let me just bring up the chart quickly. We can see that the IP is in a very interesting space right now, okay? And what I mean by that is we launched, we came up, we tapped this area around $9 or so, and now we've basically been descending. Now this is absolutely fine when this does happen, guys, because basically there is an opportunity to make money. IP right now is in a falling wedge scenario. It's not. It's in a falling parallel channel, okay? A descending parallel channel, guys. And you can see here, parallel channels, falling parallel channels, they tend to usually break to the upside, okay? Now, the break to the upside can and probably will be very profitable for us, okay? This will be the measure move here. So we basically take that measure move, bring that to the breakout zone. Wherever we break out along this line, this is going to be the massive long position that we could be looking for here. And then in terms of a price range for that, it's going to be roughly 74% here on your investment, just getting involved at this long position. Not mentioning how much money you could be making just by getting involved with it now. Okay, now you're probably thinking the markets are down, it's looking terrible, why would I invest now? You only should be buying the markets when they're down. You shouldn't be buying at the top. If you buy the top of the chart, you're going to get wrecked. Okay, so the most money is made buying in the areas like we're seeing today. Okay, so what are we waiting for now? We're waiting to claim major moving averages to the upside, test this area, and then see explosive gains. Okay, now how much could we be making if you were to just buy now? Okay, what percentage are we talking about? Talking about 124%, guys. So that's a 2.2x on your investment from where it is now. Okay, so pretty crazy stuff there, and very, very profitable indeed. Now, if we just look at sort of a price prediction for this asset to get to say around, what do we say, $5 billion, that would be basically, we'll just say basically a 5x from where it is now. So 3 times 5, 3.1 times 5 will be roughly around 5.5, well, $15.5 dollars per coin. So that's $15.50 per coin. That is a 400% gain on your investment by getting involved with it now. So that would put it at literally like it'd be a 5x on your investment, guys. If you did like the video, guys, make sure you smash the like button. Do appreciate it. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you never miss one of my uploads. Thank you ever so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.